Very beautiful girl. Palakpakan niyo naman po. Anong pangalan mo? Shana.
Shana.
Palakpakan for Ate Shana. Go away. I can live, I can learn. Happy birthday, so cool. I can write what is wrong. I can sing just like a song. I can dance, I can play, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can live, happy birthday. Para mo Ate Shana. Hindi lang sa'yo, sa CR yan. But took you so long to make me see how lucky I am, 'cause I am free, free to do the things I wanna do. Lahat ng may mga gift kanina dito. What took you so long to make it feel? I can feel love so real. What took you so long to let me know? I can love, I can reach your hands above. I can write what is wrong. I can sing just every song. I can dance, I can ride, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. So I don't know the reason why I'm so lucky I didn't know before. I can wish the heavens above. I can ride on its own. I can sing just in a song. I can dance like a clown. Touch the moon in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you. Come on, somebody. I can love. I can reach your hands above. I can write what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can laugh. I can touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. Once again, parang mga Miss Shana. Shana, happy birthday. Kita dito yung mga friends mo. Pipili tayo ng mga mangilan-ilan magbibigay ng message. Sino yung best friends mo dito? Wala. Dito lang aalis na ang barko. Sino yung andito na, yan yung magna-message. What is your birthday message to Shana ba? Shana. Go?
Happy birthday. Stay healthy and hope you enjoy your day.
Thank you.